back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to communicate between an activity as well as a service. So in my so I was facing this issue when trying to implement this with React Native as well as with Flutter. So whenever I wanted to send a callback from native code to Flutter or React Native, I can only do it from the main activity. Couldn't really do it with service. I mean, it might be possible, but I think it might be way too complicated, and that should not be the right approach. So yeah, finally, thanks to ChatGPT, I was able to figure it out. So I'm using the same code which I was using for background location. So here, as you can see, I have defined a service. Now to communicate between a service and um, activity, first of all define an interface however you want to. So here I would be sending latitude and longitude from my service to activity. That's why I have defined it something like this. Next you will have to implement this interface inside your activity. So I have implemented this. Once you implement this, you will have to override this method. So I have overridden this method. Okay, so here you will get the callback from the service to the main activity. Now to start the service, what you will have to do is, so here first of all I think you will have to define this with, so you will also have to define this service connection, and you will have to define all this stuff. Okay, and here I have defined some variable, whether location service as well as is service bound. So these are these variables for this. Next what I will do is, so to start the service you will have to, as usual, do something like this. And here I require this separate action as well. So I have applied this action for starting the service, then start service, and then bind service. So these all things will be required. So you will have to do this as well as you will have to do this. Now what all changes you will have to make inside your service class. So for making so firstly what you will have to do is, you will have to define this binder as well as location callback. Then I will have defined some inner class, as well as I have overridden this on bind method. Okay, previously you might be returning null from over here in case you don't have a binder, but now we have. That's why we will have to return binder as well. Next I have defined this set location callback, and I have set this location callback equal to callback. What else? So here you can see inside my main activity I have requested this location callback as well. Next what you will have to do is, once you get the latitude and longitude, you will just have to call location callback dot on location updated. That's it. So these are all the steps for sending data from service to main activity. This might help some native developer or even cross-platform developers in the future. So yeah, that's why I wanted to make a video. Thank you. Bye.